Picture this. Monday morning, the sun is barely up and you're already dreading the day ahead. You're in line for coffee, desperately craving caffeine. The line is long and you can almost feel the minutes ticking away. You bump into your boss. Small talk time, right? You muster up a smile, trying to seem more awake than you feel. Morning? Big plans for the weekend? You ask. Silence. Crickets. You can almost hear the tumbleweed rolling by. Turns out their dog ran away. Whoops. You feel a pang of guilt for bringing it up. We've all been there, stuck in that awkward abyss where small talk goes to die. It's like a black hole of conversation. It's like that moment you realize your fly is down, only it's your conversation that's unzipped. You wish you could rewind time. Don't worry, you're not alone. Everyone has those moments. It's part of the human experience. Workplaces are breeding grounds for awkward interactions. From the break room to the boardroom, no one is immune. But hey, it's these moments that make us human, right? So next time you spill the coffee, just remember it's okay to spill your guts too. Why are work conversations so tricky sometimes? It's like navigating a minefield of social cues and unspoken rules. We're thrown together with people from diverse backgrounds, different humor, and varying levels of social battery. Each person brings their own unique set of experiences and expectations to the table. It's like a giant game of conversational roulette. You never know when you'll hit the jackpot or land on a topic that makes everyone uncomfortable. Add in the pressure to make a good impression, and it's a recipe for awkward sauce. The stakes feel high and the margin for error seems razor thin. But here's the deal. Awkwardness is universal. We all experience it. Those moments of silence, the accidental interruptions, the misread signals, they happen to everyone. It's a shared human experience that connects us all. Remember, even your boss with the perfect hair and teeth probably spills coffee on themselves sometimes, maybe even literally. They too have their moments of clumsiness and embarrassment. So the next time you find yourself in an awkward work conversation, take a deep breath and remember, you're not alone. Embrace the awkwardness, learn from it, and move forward with a smile. Ever accidentally called your boss mom? Or worse, forgotten a coworker's name after they told you twice? Yep, we've all been there. Remember that time you tried to tell a funny story at the water cooler and it landed flatter than a pancake? Awkward happens. It's a rite of passage in the working world. The good news, you can recover. And even better, you can rock it. So you've stumbled into the awkward abyss. What do you do? First, don't panic. Acknowledge the awkwardness with humor. A simple, well, that was awkward, can break the tension. Remember, laughter is your friend. Shift the conversation to a neutral topic. Ask about their weekend plans, avoiding dog-related inquiries, of course. And if all else fails, excuse yourself politely. No harm, no foul. The key to conquering awkward is confidence. Easier said than done, right? Think of it this way. Confidence is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. Practice makes perfect. Start small. Chat with a coworker in the elevator, offer a compliment, or simply smile and make eye contact. Each interaction, no matter how small, builds your confidence muscle. Here's the truth. Awkward moments are inevitable. They happen to everyone, no matter how confident or experienced you are. But they don't have to define you. Embrace them. These moments are a part of life and work. They make for hilarious stories later and teach us valuable lessons about ourselves and others. Think about it. Those awkward moments often become the stories we laugh about with friends and colleagues. So the next time you find yourself in an awkward work situation, take a deep breath, channel your inner comedian, and remember, it's not the end of the world. We're all in this together. Everyone has been there, and everyone understands. And hey, at least you're not alone. Embracing the awkward can actually make you more relatable and approachable. So, own it, laugh it off, and move forward with confidence. And as always, remain motivated.